In today's video, let's dive into the way that you fix Snapchat snaps not sending. Now, if you're facing this issue, the first thing that you can immediately check or ensure is that if you have a stable connection or not. In order to check that, you can also run other applications and try to see if they run or not. If this is not the issue with you, what you can try out is try to look for any new updates available for Snapchat. Sometimes having bugs may also cause these issues, so just head over to the Play Store, search for Snapchat, and if you do indeed see new updates available, you can just tap on the update button. Also, what you can try out is head over to the app of Snapchat, tap and hold it, and head over to this eye icon. From the settings, head over to storage and make sure you tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, make sure to remove the app of Snapchat from the recent list and try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue still persists, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of Snapchat from your phone and again re-download it, as well as try to restart your phone. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat snap not sending issue. If this video did help you out, do let us know. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.